Is your lawn thinning? Do you have spots like this? What about bald patches in your yard, like this? How about dog urination spots that look like these? Well, guess what? In today's video, I'm going to show you two methods of fixing these. Let's get into it. You can go to any big box store and pick up items like these, but pay attention to those prices. They're extremely expensive. The method that I use is more cost effective and more beneficial. Plus, you're going to be able to control the amount of seed that you put in. With these products, you can't do that. It's a limited amount of seed that's actually put into those bags because after all, they're all about making money. But let's show you how we're gonna do it today. All right, so method number one is gonna be Turfmend. This has everything that you need to fix your bare spots, your thinning areas, and those dog urine spots. Let's open this bag up and I'll show you what's inside. So here's what the Turfmend looks like. It has the compost and the Barenbrug yellow jacket seed, which is turf type tall fescue. So method number two is going to be the Scotts Turf Builder lawn soil. Sometimes you get big chunks of wood in there, but you know what? That's all organic material. And this is going to be my seed mixture. This is the Barenbrug RPR Regenerating Perennial Ryegrass and the GCI Spreader Elite Turf Type Tall Fescue. Okay, so the process of what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix 3 pounds of the seed, the Barenbrug's RPR, and then the mixture with the turf type tall fescue from GCI Spreader Elite. One soil and the seed. So this is the area right here that we're going to be applying the homemade grass patch and the Turfmend. So I'm going to show you how we're going to start getting it prepped and ready to go. I'm going to take a weasel to those spots. So let's get to it. Okay, so in these thinning spots, you just want to take your weasel and you just want to break up the surface. This is where you're going to get your good seed to soil contact. Dog urine spots, you're going to do the same thing. You're just going to hit it really hard. Break that up. But then the next step is to rake that out of there. Try and get all that nasty dead grass out of there. Got that all out of there. Okay, so you saw the process, the weasel to kind of break up the soil. Then we took the weasel again to the dog spots, did the same thing, but we raked out all the dirty grass and the dead grass. Now we're gonna go and apply our Turfmend, and we're going to apply my homemade mixture to these spots out here. And I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of which one works better. Got it spread, it's time to water. Okay, so it's been actually 2 weeks today since I laid down my homemade grass patch and the Turfmend. So you can see here, this sprinkler head is where I used as my center line. So everything to this side over here is the Turfmend, and everything on this side over here was my homemade blend. And you can see that my homemade blend came in really, really good. It was on some dog pee spots, some bald spots, but you can definitely see where it grew and where it's still growing. And then here is the Turfmend side that had the same exact thing. Some dog pea spots and some bald spots. And you can still see a lot of the seed on top, but I'll let you be the judge of which one works better. And I used the same exact parameters as the Turfmend. 3 pounds of seed to the mix on both sides. Hey, with summer officially being here now, check out one of these 2 videos to see how potassium can help your water intake during the heat. I want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video. My name is Chris, and let's keep that lawn in order.